Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of the Avinash Lingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, School of Engineering, Department of Printing Technology, we welcome you all to this Job Readiness Drive 2 online panel discussion. The idea is during this lockdown period, we are having our students exhibit their talents and also hone their technical and soft skills. So the idea here is there will be a topic on which the students will be talking for and against as a panel discussion. So we have two teams here consisting of our students of second year, third year and the final year who are here to talk to us about whether in printing they have to choose government jobs or non-government jobs. The panelists are Nishanti of second year, Lakshana of second year, Agasti and Ilakya Shri of third year BE Printing, Madhunila and Mahalakshmi of final year BE Printing. So to begin with, I would like to call upon Nishanti to talk about the benefits of her team, that is government jobs. Nishanti comes here to talk about the benefits of government jobs. Over to you, Nishanti.
Good afternoon to everyone. Is here to tell you about the benefits of government job. If we place or if we get a government job, the job will be permanent for us. After a few years, we will get a promotion. It will be based upon our service or seniority wise. When the government job opportunity available, it means it depend upon the vacancies. For example, education wise means few students will get double degree, that is like diploma plus BE or BE plus ME. It will be based upon the education. The promotion will be differing. And then the plus point of government job is when we get a promotion, our salary will also get increased with their bonus equality, especially for the AWM posting, assistant work manager posting. That is, if you finish BE itself, they will get a posting, the AWM. Then another one, job security. If any work is going to be government press, the job work will be safe and respect in society. Then financially improve our status. And then good retirement life. The person after retirement, the certain amount will be given by the government, and medical expenses will be free of cost to the family members. And then uh, if an government employee has died, unfortunately the government employee has died before retirement, the posting will be given to one of the person in her family. And then constant working hours. The people are working 8 hours only. In case they have to additionally work, that is they are called as overtime. They are they are working overtime means they give holiday accordingly. And the fresher into the job, for the person completed a small degree like ITI binding means they entered into the basic binder into senior. See the screen, I will give the flow chart. First of all, they enter into the binder to senior binder to promoted as junior foreman to promoted as senior foreman to TSF, that is top senior foreman, into overseer into AWM posting, that is assistant work manager. You people are well known. And then promoted as DWM, that is duty works manager to the work manager. Um, Work manager is the topmost posting of that press. That's all. Thank you to all. If there any doubt means please ask.
Thank you, Nishanti. So you have put forth the various benefits of government job. You started off saying that it's a permanent job, and then how you can have raises, what are the monetary benefits, then leave benefits, pension, even post-retirement, there are lots of benefits. And even
Yes,
unfortunately, somebody meets with death, then the family can do. So really very interesting. So people should go in for government job, I think. But let's hear from Lakshana what she has to say about non-government jobs. Lakshana,
Okay.
the next.
Not one all present here. So I am here to tell about the benefits of other jobs in printing. It's not like private jobs. So we can get jobs in magazines, newspapers, advertising agencies, also in publication houses, machine manufacturers, packaging industries, banks, and even more in private commercial presses as a technology consultant. We can also be in marketing, sales department of companies which will supply the raw materials for printing and photograph films. Also, we have the option of teaching, where job exists in schools, colleges, polytechnics, which offer vocational diploma degree and master degree courses. A printing technologist in the production department of newspapers or magazines will start a career as a production supervisor, and also he can go to the next level of general manager. So as being in working in a private sector, you have a lot of opportunities. So as a fresher also, if you work in the publication division, we can work as editor, sub editor, assistant sub editor, associate editor, or assistant editor. So also we can work as a production in charge. So if you look into the job profiles, you can work as a supervisor, professor, and then printing training engineer, printing officer, marketing manager, quality assurance engineers, graphic designer, etc. Many more. We can earn the salary between 2 to 3 lakhs per year. So, and if we have a higher position, we can earn more than that. When we come into the benefits, looking into the benefits, the increment will be based on our performance. Unlike government jobs, in government jobs, if you work for a period, after some period, you'll be having increment. But in private, seeing your performance, how you perform, if you're performing very well, you'll get more salary in just a couple of days. So promotion and salary increment based on performance. And then we will be able to work abroad. We have more opportunities even in abroad, so we can get more experience and exposure to other people in the industry. Also, working in different private jobs, we get more knowledge also and more experience in that job. And it is also not permanent, so that is what I told. You can keep changing on, like if you're not satisfied with a particular job, you can change the company. And also you have the job satisfaction, like you will not be bored up with the job. You can, if you're not satisfied with it, you can also move on to other areas if you're interested. And so in government, like you have to be have a particular period. You have to work for that period. Yeah, but unlike in this, you can if you want to become an entrepreneur, you can quit the job and you can go to entrepreneurship. So that's all I want to tell about this.
Thank you, Lakshana. This is also quite interesting. You mean to say that on a government job, it's more monotonous, but when you have a non-government job, you have a lot of flexibility in terms of your promotion. You can show your performance and get promoted. You can switch between jobs, and then it is possible to go abroad or even try entrepreneurship. There is a lot of flexibility, you say. So that way, this really is very catchy. So let's look at the next speaker who would like to come over and talk to us about how to prepare for government jobs. If you want an Agasti, let's hear from Agasti about the preparation into a government job.
Thank you, ma'am. Warm good afternoon to one and all present here. So let's take a look over how to prepare for government job in printing. Like a government job must be a goal. So first of all, we can go for aptitude. Aptitude is able to predict the potential contribution of a candidate, like achieving success within the organization. So this is the primary step involved in every government exams like a TNPSC, where they'll first judge the candidate with the aptitude knowledge they have. And the next comes where to search for government printing press job openings. So many wonder like how to, many will have a thought like they would pursue government job but they don't know how to apply, where to search for government printing sectors. So example for where to search for government printing jobs is www.fresherslive.com/employment/news. So here in this website, people can get more knowledge about how to apply for government printing sectors. Like there are many other websites also, like previous panelist from the opposite team said that they have opportunity to go to foreign for getting job opportunities. Like in government, we have our own, we have possibility to get the job in our native itself. Like for example, in our own state itself, we can get our government job. Like websites like http://labor.telangana.government.in. So in this website, the printing graduates who are need of government jobs from the Telangana can acquire the steps to get involved in the job. So likewise, many other, like for Kerala, Palakkad, and also many other states, they have separate government websites so that they can get their own knowledge and own job with a secured lifetime guarantee of getting into a job. So many will have a thought process of getting into a Reserve Bank and Reserve Bank of India, and many will have it as a dream. So Reserve Bank of India, which is also comes under the government sector, it will be a pride if we work in that sector. You know how it will be a prestigious one if we say that we work in the Reserve Bank of India. Like that can be accessed only if people choose government jobs. So next comes qualification. So this is also a wonder for many printing graduates. Like is their qualification enough to get into the government job? So yes, absolutely. Like some few efforts can be basic qualification for all the machine operations is diploma in printing technology. So if a person is having a diploma in printing technology, they can get into the machine operation post, like machine operator, offset machine technician, etc. So a degree in designing software is also a qualification for people who are interested in designing field in the printing industry. And for binder post, ITI in bookbinding is a necessary qualification. So yes, qualification is for all the basic qualification for the machine operation is just diploma in printing technology. Where in diploma in printing technology, people can get more knowledge practically, like how to work. They'll get more the practical experience rather than the theory, which will be a better one for machine operators sectors. So next comes list of posts. So the list of postings that are available in government sector is web offset technician, assistant web offset technician, offset machine technician, machine operator, and binder. So these are some common available posting for government sector. There are also n number of opportunities. There like TNPSC, newspaper advertisements, official website. So the main opportunity for all the printing graduates available is TNPSC. So the TNPSC exam, if we apply for TNPSC exam, the posting that we'll be getting directly into it is assistant work manager. As my co-panelists have told you about what is assistant work manager and how it will be. So yes, next opportunity is like newspaper advertisements. Newspaper advertisements is also a good opportunity. Like we can get more access, like how government, what are all the available posting over a period of time in the government sector. And yes, the official website for government job is www.stationaryprinting.tn.gov.in. So here all the necessary requirements for candidates who are interested in government jobs can have a look over it. So some common top government printing presses in India are National Book Trust of India, New Delhi, Railway Recruitment Board, Reserve Bank of India, as I told before, which is a pride, and the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, Delhi. So I hope you all get to know like this government job will give a greater opportunity to stay in our native itself and to get more access towards job field, and also a better secure job facility available in our printing industry. Thank you one and all for giving such an opportunity to share my knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you, Agasti. You have given a very systematic procedure how to prepare for government jobs. So there are selected websites where you can go and check, and then there are aptitude exam, TNPC. So all these are very systematic, and nobody has to get confused is what you're trying to say. And also you have answered the previous, the other panelists telling that there are flexibility in the job and promotions and other things. You have also pointed out RBI kind of government jobs are really very prestigious, and there are chances of moving over to your hometown. So there is a lot of flexibility in government jobs as well. So you have defended your side, very good. Let us hear from the other panelist, Ilakya. Ilakya Shri, come over and tell us about non-government job, how to prepare and how it is better or not better than doing it for a government job. Over to Ilakya.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, one and all present here. I'm here to explain the non-governmental job preparation process. First, reading newspaper and magazines according to your job preference will help you to enhance your knowledge about the company and the activities in the industries, the clients and the profit or loss and the new launch in the company. You get to know from the source of newspaper and magazines. And strong resume, redesigning your strong resume according to your job need, and you should not add false information in your resume. This will mislead. And good communication and management skill is so important to create a better and friendly environment in the industry, and also it will expose your talent. And practical knowledge, more than your theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge will develop your industry, and also you can survey wherever you are. The company based projects, the students must take a company based projects. It is one of the easiest way to get into a good industry or your dream industry, to make a good project, and the company need, based on the company need. It also create a communication bridge between you and your company. And good knowledge in softwares. In this technical world, gaining a good knowledge in softwares can make you to work smarter with the machines. And the teamwork skills. In today's world, teamwork is inevitable, so it is important to have enough skills to handle a team. The team organized is essential to get the task done. And the rapid learner. It will increase you to work efficiently, and it will get you to shine in your own job. Better understanding. Better understanding of the concept will lead you to a betterment of place where you are, and it will give you a good position, and it will bring you a good attitude. And behalf of this, and you have to know what are the big industries you are in our field. In this printing industry, we have a Heidelberg and Fuji, and based on the each and everything we are using in printing industry, having a very big basement in as a industry level. So we have to get into we have a more space to where we can shine. So thank you for all giving me this chance. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakia. You have put it very nicely. You say that no one size fits all. So, depending upon the person's skills, whether they have software ability or communication skills, appropriately they can choose and enter into the job instead of having a monotonous or stereotype preparation. So, there are chances that some people may miss out a call for any government job and then they will have to wait for the next one. But here there are many options for them to try. If not one, the other one they can wait for. So you mean to say non-government job preparation process is also easy and there is more opportunity. Let's hear from the next team. Madhulila will be here to tell us about the government jobs and how government jobs will be useful for us.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear.
Good afternoon, all. I'm here to talk about available government jobs in printing because government job is each one's aim. So let me tell about various printing jobs available. I mean, that's government jobs. First is, let me read all the government jobs. Maintenance manager. His work is planning and execution. And AutoCAD designer for printing press. Work is create a visual concept by using software. It should be well versed in every software like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and application sales manager. His work is implementation and implementation of packaging software. Even he should be well versed in every software. And quality control manager. He should be skilled in managing people. And press manager. He should have a knowledge all about printing, so he could manage the press. Machine operator. He should be. He should be well versed in machine design, so that if any of the machines repair, he can do that. And a post press supervisor, skilled in managing people. And one of the prestigious position is branch manager. He should manage the complete press, and he should excel in all the above. He should have a printing. I should have a knowledge in every. Printing, what pre-press like that. He should be well versed in every positions. And sales and marketing manager. His work is to get all the orders, and he should be proficient in all the account management. Thank you. I've said all the above. And you can search in one website called Indeed. You can get more information on that. Salaries will be mentioned over there. Experienced all. We are. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhulila. So you have listed a lot of job roles and said that even government jobs have a lot of variety. Depending upon your skills, you can choose this as well. Let's see what the other team has to do. Mahalakshmi, what do you have to say? Over to you.
I am Mahalakshmi from Final Year Printing Technology. Here I am talking about available jobs in printing. The non-government jobs are in printing are graphic designer, computer to plate operator, desktop publishing operator, imposition operator, engineering maintenance, machine operator, proofreader, quality controller, quality supervisor. In that, printing quality supervisor and packaging quality supervisor. Then supervisor, here also printing supervisor, packaging supervisor, production supervisor. Then manager, here also printing manager, production manager, then packaging manager, then printing estimator, bindery operator, R&D department, and content editor and publisher. Here few jobs only I noted. Still so many jobs are available in printing. Here I want to share you something, especially girls. We are fixed into some kind of jobs like designing and quality control. Other than that, we have lot of job opportunities available in printing. Thank you.
Thank you, Maha. I was expecting you to tell sector-wise, pre-press, packaging, newsprint, like that, because you have got a job in the pre-media company. I expected you to tell sector-wise. Anyhow, before I could conclude, we have special guests here. We have Manikandan sir and Nandakumar sir. Nandakumar sir, is that you?
Yes, yes.
Nandakumar sir?
Yes, it's me.
Nandakumar sir, over to you. Please give your views.
Yeah, it's quite interesting to listen to your girls' presentation. As they said, there are quite number of jobs are available for the printing technology. Especially, they have mentioned that the opportunities for diploma and have a vast opportunity in operator level. There are posts in government as well as private sectors. The girls all, they have made a very good study, and they have made a very good presentation. I really congratulate all the students and as well as the professors for encouraging them. It's a great thing, ITI. All have got a great job opportunities in this field. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Manikandan sir, we would like to have your view whether to go in for government job or non-government job.
Yes, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much. Whether it is a government job or non-government job, my request to the next generation will be an entrepreneur and provide jobs, be a job provider than a job seeker. Are you with me, madam? Yes?
Yeah,
Are you
sir,
hearing?
yes, sir, we can hear you well.
And one of the participants, Nishanti, in her said government jobs are permanent and promotions are regular, and in non-government job, one Ms. Rakshana said there is a metric system, performance review. These are all good things, but they should also know that we are living in a VUCA world. Everything is uncertain, volatile, complex, and very ambiguous. Nothing is permanent. And one more thing is, they said they are telling that power, position, and all things. Power, position, and money will automatically come as a byproduct if the students are competitive, innovative, and agile. Agile in the sense adapting to the new trends, new requirements. And one more thing is, more than adding mere degrees, I request them to indulge in real-time projects and get hands-on experience in depth, which will come in a big way. And wherever they are employed, they should see that revenue generation is the prime need of the hour. If they are not into revenue generation directly, at least they can provide some cost-cutting measures. Thereby, they will be more required. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Exactly need of the hour. Are you into printing, sir?
See, we have a small unit called United Brothers. We have a small unit called United Brothers. We are into that print finishing, actually.
Okay.
We do a lot of job from ITC. And we were the first to introduce this lamination process in India. My father, way back in 1975, introduced this process called print lamination. Even the lamination vocabulary is not available in the dictionary those days. So now we do only, lamination alone. Because we don't do any printing at all. So we do only print finishing. So the problem is, now.
Thank you, sir. We are happy to.
There is no much government jobs nowadays in the printing industry. Previously, we have some railway printing press and government printing press. Now there is no much about the government jobs in printing industry, but a lot of private industries has come. Nowadays, there are big companies are there. The packaging is a very big industry nowadays. The printing has come down because the DTP has has come now. Because those days, they used to print some 2,000 booklets and 1,000 brochures and something like that. Now, if they want some 100 brochures, they do only 100 brochures. They want 50, they'll print only 50. So every day the updation is going on. And moreover, in the government printing press and all, their update level is very, very low. By the time they get the approval and they got updation, by the time, it crosses that, updation limit. So better they search for the private printing industry jobs.
In the end, but I can give you my view. Those who are not an experimenting person, I would say government job would ideally suit for them. I mean, I'm not sure of the availability of the job, but generally speaking, if there are an individual who wants to learn continuously, work on challenging assignments, who wants to grow steadily, for all that reasons, I would prefer the private sector is much better. But if somebody wants to have a calm and quiet job, like go in the morning, do your job, come in the evening, and even during COVID period, such kind of situation, still the only people who are not worried is the government employees. So for this kind of situation, or those who are not very experimental in nature, I think government job suits for them. But the learning process, adapting to new things or experimenting new things, I would say it's really not that. Government presses are not that updated, because I even visited a couple of government railway presses for an audit. So my bottom line is, if you are experimenting in nature, if you want to learn, if you want to grow, then private sector is much better. It gives you a lot of opportunities.
As moderator, I would like to give my conclusion. Yeah, government job is a stereotype, monotonous job and a very committed job. And you're serving the country. So that way it is prestigious, it is monotonous, and you know what to do. It is a single path. It's a well-defined path, you can say. Whereas if you want challenges in life and you want to try out certain things, then it is better to go on to the non-government job. Of course, there are risks in it. And if you are a risk taker, you can move on. But there are girls in our group here who would like to have some well-settled or a calm, peaceful life on the job side, so that their house maintaining at home should be more challenging for them. So for them, the government jobs are more suitable. At the same time, we should remember the third option, being an entrepreneur. We should always remember that entrepreneurship is a very good choice for women. You can sit at home and manage your business. So those talents also should get into you. So that is my conclusion. Thank you very much. Is it KBS, sir?
Yes, madam. I'm here in the line.
Okay. How are you, sir?
I'm very well, madam. I joined at around 3:15. I was listening to all you girls talking.
Okay, okay. So good. You should have been the moderator. Please give your views.
You concluded. Salman did it very well, and then you concluded. It is not the government job or it is not the private job, madam. It is basically the passion and the confidence towards your job where you want to go. That's it. So you have to carry a lot of patience, so that with confidence, so that you have to reach heights. It can be either a government job or a private job. It depends upon your start. But where you want to reach, you need to carry these two characters. And today I found that after so many years listening to girls, you have brought in that confidence in your team, madam. I could see that the first 4 girls who were talking, I could see that confidence in them. And really, they are going to go to heights. Thank you.
So thank you for joining us. So we will share the link every day. Whenever you have time, please drop in. Thank you all.